Good morning, traders. Welcome to Hot FX. Today, I'll be showing you how to spot a good entry using a phone using SMC strategy, trading the Forex markets. Today, we have Cat JPY with us 2 hour time frame. As you can see, I'm strictly okay. Before we go any further with this video, I just want to tell you that I'm strictly trading off of my phone. I don't have a laptop to trade, so I'm trading off my phone, and I'm here to motivate you guys that you can trade with whatever you have. So we have with us CatJPY, as you can see. So this is what I have spotted with CatJPY. We have ourselves um we have ourselves an order block here, and then we have an inducement that we are looking for the market to actually hit. And then inducement in simple terms just means that we are looking for where smart money traders or the new smart money concept traders are going to be trapped, where they're going to think that the market is not going to come back, so they're going to enter their trades early. And then this point is what we call inducement. It has induced the upcoming or the beginner smart money concept traders to thinking that the price won't return to our order block that you see right here. And then that's where we are looking for, and that's where we are anticipating the market to trigger to break this inducement line, and then trigger us in, hit the stop losses of the beginner traders of SMC strategy, and then continue to drop. So we have ourselves, so the market, as you can see, we are involved in a downtrending situation because we are breaking structures, we are breaking structures. And then after we have found that we are downtrending, that's why I put my order block right here, because this is an order block. And then after putting my order block, what I've seen next, I've seen let me show you what I've seen. I saw my order block. First thing I saw was an order block, and then second thing I saw was this candle right here. We call this candle an inefficiency candle or a fair value gap. It signals us, or it tells us that the market is going to come back to fill this gap. This is why that is why in this case my order block is next to that candle, because I know that this candle is telling me that the price will return to fill the gap that it has left. Hence the price is here. I'm able to know that the price is going to go back and then to my order block and then continue to drop. How do I know that the market is going to come back to my order block? As I explained, we have we have a break of structure to the upside, which means we are downtrending, which means in this case going to be looking for selling opportunities. As you can see, we have series of break of structures. We have series of break of structures. My second confirmation was that we have an inducement. The inducement in this case is another way of saying is a liquidity for smart money traders. Every strategy has a trap for their people, So in this case, our trap is the inducement. We were involved in inducement. Traders or SMC traders thought that the price wouldn't be able to go back to our order block. In this case, they wanted to take this move, so they took this move. The stop loss is somewhere between here, and then what they don't know is that the price is gonna go back, break, hit their stop loss, continue drop, because we have inefficiency in this case that we are looking for the market to return to. We have inducement in this case that we know that smart money traders are gonna be trapped. The beginner smart money traders. I'm an intimidate smart money trader. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing on CatJPY, and I'll share with you how the trade went, or I'll keep on updating you guys. Stay tuned. Welcome to Koto FX, niggas. I mean, nah. Forget the second word I said. But hey, welcome to Koto FX. As you can see, we are flowing deep in profits here with CatJPY 4 hour time frame. Man, I spotted this trade. Look at how I spotted the trades. Look at this. This was the trade before, and then look at this. This is the trade now, bro. We're doing it the SMC way, trading strictly from my phone. No laptop, no PC. This is what we are holding at the moment with our prop account, and we are flowing deep in profit. This is 4 hour time frame. 1:5 risk to reward ratio. Good morning, traders, and welcome to Hotzo FX. This is the trade that I was telling you about, or the trade I was journaling. It's KJPY. We finally hit TP with that trade after waiting for a few weeks. the trade finally came to our point of interest and then hit our order block, and then we finally hit TP with that, using risk to reward ratio of 1:5. We were able to pass, or we were able to hit TP. As we can see that trade, that beautiful trade, if you can see, we hit TP with that one. Yeah. And yeah, man, that's how we do it, SMC. This is how we do it at Hotel FX. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Please like the video, subscribe, leave a comment on what you want me to share with you, and or whatever concern you have. And thank you.